everybody, it's Sweet Sabre7 back, and today I will not be doing a play video. I'm going to do origami, but that doesn't really mean that I'm not going to do play videos anymore. I'm still going to do them. I just feel like doing some origami on my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to make a chatterbox. To make a chatterbox, you need a square piece of paper. If you don't have a square piece of paper, I'll teach you how to make some. What you need is an A4 paper. You lie it, portrait, and then you bring the top corner and make a triangle with your fold. So it should look something like this. You have to line it up perfectly, even the corners, and make sure they're sharp. And then you have to press. It's okay if it's not that even, but if you can make it super even, that should be very good. So you press it down. Then you have to flip it over, and you have to fold up this part until you see this line. You have to fold this part until you don't see the line that much. So it looks like a half of a boat, like this. So then what you want to do is press it down a lot. And you can use scissors, but the way I use scissors, they don't really give you a straight line. So I use scissors, but the third best option is to fold it really hard and then just tear it, hold at the top and then tear it. Hold on. Yeah, if it's not even at like this, you can cut it off later. It's not like, unless you're like me, but it's okay. So you might want to get scissors. I'm just going to go get scissors first. I've got the scissors, and you see these like bumpy edges. You can turn it around, and then you cut it exactly. You see like these lines, and it doesn't look straight. So you can like cut them off if you want. But if you manage to tear it successfully, or like cut it, or use the ruler successfully, then that's very good. So next, you already have one guideline. Then by this side, you have to join this side to this side. So you have to bring this side to this side. Then open it, and then you fold in half, then turn it around and fold it in half again, and you can see these guidelines. So you fold it according to this line, like this, and then these lines, make sure the triangle touches this line, and then turn it around and do the exact same, and then you turn it around, and you can see these lines as well. If you can't, there's a horizontal and there's a horizontal and vertical line, so you just do the same. And fold, then you fold it again, and turn it around and do it again, and then fold on the other. So then you can get this kind of square as a diamond. So then you have to push this middle, and then you can see you open it up. Just open up the side at the bottom. You can also like peel it, so it slowly comes together. So you have to like open them all up at the same exact time. If you can't, you can easily just press side, and voila! You got your Chatterbox, and you can put numbers, and inside of them, the flaps, you can write some questions. My friends use this as maths problems. You can also put colors or names, and they have to pick it, and then they pick the number, and then you have to open it up and ask them that question. So it's very simple. Yeah. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!